Guys, I am going to start a series for beginners in Avid, and this is what you want to do before you start editing, before you start doing anything in your Avid. Basically, you'll open it up, and right now I have a little project open here. Don't mind that. It'll be empty with a single bin. But before you get started on anything, you want to customize your Avid, and by that I mean go into Settings. And it'll be up here, but you'll scroll all the way down to your keyboard, and you'll double click on your keyboard, and Avid, will have its setup how it thinks your keys should be. But the one thing about Avid, which is awesome, is that everybody customizes it to kind of fit their own. So what you'll want to do is hit Command 3 to bring up your command palette and just assign all of your items to wherever you want them. You can definitely create extra keyboards if you want. And also you have one modifier, which is your shift key. So whenever you're creating your shortcuts, if you hold shift, you can drag commands to spots in there. For example, I don't have anything there. Let's just say I want to copy to clipboard on that button, and then you're set, just like that. So go through there, get it the way you like it, and then you can kind of move on from there. One thing to note is that once you get it to where you like it, you can save that and bring it with you wherever you go. I actually keep a user profile on Dropbox. So whatever cloud storage you use, you can just keep it there. And then next time you go maybe to somebody else's Avid, you can just open it up. And then up here in Settings, right here, you say import user or user profile, click on that, and then you'll just bring it in. So for example, if you had it on the desktop, Avid users, Andy Seiler, bring that in, just like that. My name's Andy Seiler, by the way. That's about it. That's getting started. Before you really start editing, I would suggest doing that. Oh, yes, I've also included my profile in the link below. So if you want to use all of my settings, feel free to download that and see if you like them. All right.